Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to learn about that how you can disable your video comments. If you want to do that, you can also do that. So you have to open the YouTube. So I'm going to open the YouTube. So as you can see, YouTube is open. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this. And after this, we have to open the YouTube Studio. I'm going to click on this. After that, as you can see, the YouTube Studio is open. Now I will go to the content session, and after that, I'm going to click on this video. And after clicking on this video, you have to scroll this down. And after scrolling this down, you have to click on the show more option. And you have to scroll again. So as you can see here, some options are provided here. If you want to make it on, if you want to make it off or pause, it's up to you. For example, I want to make it off, or I want to make it pause. You have to click on this. I'm going to pause. I'm going to click on the off, and now you have to click on the save changes, and it will be saved. So in this way, you can disable your YouTube video comment. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.